Hello, do you know what subtraction is? Or more importantly, for a 1 digit by 1 digit? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So subtraction is where you take one number away from another. So it's like counting backwards, okay? And 1 digit by 1 digit sounds complex, but all it means is you're taking away numbers that only have 1 digit in length. So like number 5, number 6, number 2, things like that. So let's use a sum like 8 take away 4, okay? So what that means is you start with the number 8 and then you take 4 away. Boom, 2, 3, 4. So that means you're left with 4 left. So that means the answer here is 4, okay? So now you do the next one. So remember, start with number 6 and then you take away 2. What number are you left with? Well done! You're left with 4 again. Oh, all right, let's go for a bit of a harder one. What about 8? Oh no, sorry, let's do 9. Let's do 9. 9 take away, ooh, I want to make it a bit harder for you. So 9 take away 7. Ooh, what about that one? What is it? Yes, it's 2, isn't it? Well done. Right, you're smashing this, really good. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!